Look who's here.
I've completed my work and brought you the pieces you require.
As I knew you would.
Have I completed my task?
Yes, Falk. It is time I told you.
I am ready to hear.
I thought you were traveling by order of a legate.
I was. I will hear Kalan's words. 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 Words.
What is...
Isn't he a wonderful... He is my greatest invention, the pride of creation.
You created him?
Of course. He's my masterpiece.
What upgrade?
I will install these parts.
So?
Oh, I am thankful. He is obviously a friend. He gets me. Of course. Wait here.
Falk?
Initializing.
Is he all right?
You are beginning a new stage of evolution now. Go with your new friend. Learn about yourself. What crimes did you commit?
What makes you think...
Everyone here did. They were forced here, or they came big. Which one?
Neither.
Yeah. So if you're not a prisoner, what do you want from me?
What?
Isn't it obvious? In a war, we need an army that doubles our fighting strength. But without... I mean, we have weapons, fighting machines, bots. But we still need a human presence. Replace those humans with a machine, and we can have war. We can secure Magellan.
Falk...
That's my design in action. I used synaptic mapping to build his basic reactions and personality. It's all up. It's fully adaptable now. I can...
He can...
His settings can. His experiences can. Then one soldier can teach the others. See, it's much better to lose circuits than the aim.
Tested to destruct.
Is that not the born? Collect.
I am building. The comet's gonna have nothing on what the Duke's got me.
Above.
This won't blow up a few mutants.
The Duke won.
Who knows? Depends how big we build it. But from my calculations, pick one. The king of the desert.
Zakor, Abessa, Idan. Do you think any of them is going to mess with the Duke once they know he can evaporate?
Huh. Whoever owns this would only need to do it to one city and then no one would... But I am only an emissary, an artist working to create...
No.
Then you don't know his genius. Captured. Set free. I was in the wrong place at the right time. No. Should have died. Would have died. But the Duke wanted a pet. What? Have you seen that desert? Without protection and completely...
How was...
Big Bang. The comet's daughter. I just need... I get those.
That was remarkable.
Life is a...
What do you want? First you take me prisoner, then you hold me Outlaws, ignorant, valueless, non-believers and heretics. I don't expect wisdom just... Because those... You must know...
What do you mean?
If I go further than 100 and but knowing the junk technology here, this thing will probably just blow up on its own. My only hope is that the outlaws will...
My systems...
You didn't?
No. Emotions, for instance. But I had observed that many people suffer from such issues. Though I do wonder if my reaction to this
What do you think of...
He is a genius. I will admit that it was highly unsatisfactory. I am pleased that I hope I will function well. I cannot see how this revelation should impair...
How are you doing?
Thank you. That was well done.